Closing your eyes makes sounds louder. Your brain is stealing resources from your vision. You are lying in bed trying to sleep. The room is dark. Your eyes are closed. And suddenly every sound becomes unbearably loud. The refrigerator hum. The clock tick. A car outside that sounds like it is coming through your wall. You are not imagining this. Sounds genuinely get louder when you close your eyes. And the reason reveals something fascinating about how your brain manages limited processing power. Your brain does not have infinite capacity. Vision takes roughly 30% of your total brain resources, more than any other sense. When you close your eyes, that visual network suddenly has nothing to do. And your brain does not let resources sit idle. It immediately reallocates that freed processing power to your other senses, particularly hearing. Your auditory cortex gets a temporary boost. It processes sound with more detail, sensitivity, and precision than when your eyes are open. The refrigerator was always humming. The clock was always ticking. But your brain filtered them as background noise because it was busy processing visual information. Close your eyes, and those filters lift. This is why blind individuals often have measurably better hearing than sighted people. Their ears are not physically different. Their brains have permanently reallocated the visual processing network to other senses. The brain is ruthlessly efficient. It does not waste capacity. The moment you remove one input, it redirects that power elsewhere within milliseconds. Subscribe if you like the content. Thank you for your support. The next time you close your eyes and the world gets louder, that is your brain redistributing itself in real time.